Hey guys, I want to introduce you to bongo ties. I don't know if you know about these. Maybe you do. If you do, God bless you. But they're all natural, bamboo and rubber. That's it, right? I use these since I was introduced to them earlier this year for everything. So, cable management, whether it's on my cameras, in the car, this is what I use it for, right? You can just bunch everything up and it's super, super easy, right? So check this out. Got to give a shout out to Mikey for helping me with these and turning me on to them. Because even if this size isn't big enough, man, you can just put two of them together and get an even bigger size. This came with 10 5-inch. They got different colors. And I got to tell you, they're great. I even got my girls using them in the house for different things. Pretty ingenious, and you can get them on Amazon. And I'll actually put a link down in the description. Very cool.